Welcome back! Today on Dialed In DIY, we're looking for ways to brighten up the day. Especially when you're stuck inside for long periods of times, it's nice to be able to find different things that can be done to help keep everybody a little bit more distracted and maybe even having some fun. With that in mind, this video covers 10 or more things that we're doing here in the Dialed In household to make the best of things. Each of these projects or ideas is actually based upon the use of materials that you can find around the house or easily pick up and add to your cart next time you're out getting the stuff that you need to have at home. You may have already guessed, but yes, we're building the frame for a structure. And this happens to be one of the sides. We're building it on the floor, but once we have all the other pieces ready, we'll be standing it up on edge. The end of this that's closer in frame right now is going to have 4 corner pieces, 1 corner piece at each end. The far end is only going to have 2 corner pieces, and on one side, it'll have 2 elbow pieces. The elbow pieces will be on the floor, which gives you a nice open door to slide things in and out of your new fort without getting feet or anything else caught up on the way in. Time for some fun. Hey, just happen to have some Nerf guns, maybe a marshmallow gun or pop gun, or maybe even that little blow gun that I made that uses earplugs. You've got some of those lying around? How about a nice little ball retriever or target that helps to keep all that ammunition focused in one area so you're not trying to retrieve things out from underneath furniture, couches, tables, from behind things, or just underfoot. It's much easier this way, and we have found this has been a great time saver and keeps kids really entertained as well. Basically, all you're doing here is making a cardboard funnel inside of a box that lets things come in the big opening and aims them right back out the little opening at the bottom. Here's another great project for indoor play. Check the link below for all the details on how to make your own indoor blowgun. Maybe the general idea of just sitting down to watch a movie isn't that novel, but we're bringing back family fun time and taking it to another level. We went ahead and dusted off an old screen and got out a computer projector and some external speakers and made a makeshift home theater. But if all you've got is the TV there, why not grab the snacks, pillows, blankets, and set up a little camping area on the floor and make it fun? Another way to throw some novelty in your day is to start marking things up, but a little bit differently, without wasting any paper. Erasable markers are not just for whiteboards anymore. You can write on just about any smooth surface and cleaning them up easily. Try throwing the kids in the shower and giving them some markers, and let them draw the time away in a manner that's really easy to clean up when you're done. And again, didn't have to waste any paper. Wash it down and go again. As long as we're getting creative and passing time, why don't we look for something we can make out of the things that we might normally recycle or throw away? In a recent video, I not only made cars, I made some little rockets that launched, and it was all pretty much just made out of trash. And for the last of today's repurposed projects that pretty much keeps the kids busy, plastic bottle ball. I'm going back old school in some of my videos from the past, but this one's also a great way to keep kids and adults busy. Make it a little competitive, have a little fun, or just practice honing in your own aim. Either way, it's a lot of fun. All you need are some plastic bottles, some hot glue, and magnets. Glue the magnets on the inside of the bottles, cut off the bottom, stick them on a refrigerator or anything else that'll hold a magnet, and there you go. Hey, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to stop by Dialed In DIY and get a little distracted with me while we look for the creative, fun, and useful ways to fill our days. I hope that you all remain safe, healthy, and happy out there. If you have other thoughts on things that might be great to do to fill the time and keep us all entertained while we're stuck inside, feel free to share them in the comments below. And as always, make sure to come on back in the future, because there'll be plenty more Dialed In DIY to come.